अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एम डी कैट विद एस के। इस वीडियो में हम फिज़िक्स के 20 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट MCQs: द escape velocity from the surface of the earth does not depend on mass of earth, radius of earth, mass of the body, gravitational constant. So correct option C, mass of the body. Next MCQ's dimensional formula of Planck's constant is correct option A, ml का square minus t minus 1t. Next MCQ's a satellite is geostationary orbit has time period 12 hours, 24 hours, 36 hours, depends on altitude. So correct option B, 24 hours. Next MCQ's: in Young's double slit experiment, fringe width increases if wavelength decreases, distance between slits increases, distance between slits and screen increases. None of these. So correct option C, distance between slits and screen increases. Next MCQs: which particle is responsible for current conduction in semiconductor? Protons, neutrons, electrons and holes. Only electrons. Correct option C, electrons and holes. Next MCQs: when a body falls freely, its potential energy increases, decreases, remains constant, first increase then decrease. So correct option B, decreases. Next MCQs: the ratio of charge to mass E over m of electron was determined by Millikan, J.J. Thomson, Rutherford, Bohr. So correct option B, J.J. Thomson. Next MCQs: the phenomenon used in optical fiber communication is diffraction, polarization, total internal refraction. So correct option C, total internal reflection. Next MCQs: potential inside a charged conducting sphere is 0, constant, varies inversely with radius infinite. So correct option B, constant. Next MCQs: Carnot engine is 100% efficient when sink temperature is equal to 0 Kelvin, source temperature is equal to 0 Kelvin, sink temperature is equal to source temperature, both source and sink are at infinite. So correct option A, sink temperature is equal to 0 Kelvin. Next MCQs: phenomenon of photoelectric effect, sports, wave nature of light, corpuscular theory, quantum nature of light, Doppler effect. So correct option C, quantum nature of light. Next MCQ: a step up transform increases voltage, current, power, resistance. So correct option A, voltage. Next MCQs: the velocity of sound in air increases with decrease in pressure, increase in humidity, increase in density, increase in volume. So correct option B, increase in humidity. Next MCQs: when a velocity time graph is a straight line inclined with time axis, is the motion is uniform velocity, uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration, oscillatory. So correct option B, uniform acceleration. Next MCQs: the unit of magnetic field Tesla can also be expressed as correct option A, Weber per meter square. Next MCQs: the angular momentum of satellite revolving around Earth is 0, constant, increasing, decreasing. So correct option B, constant. Next MCQs: in Bohr's hydrogen atom model, centripetal force is provided by gravitational force, strong nuclear force, electrostatic force, magnetic force. Correct option C, electrostatic force. Next MCQs: de Broglie wavelength of a moving electron is inversely proportional to momentum, mass, all velocity, all of these. So correct option D, all of these. Next MCQs. If a body moves in a circle with uniform speed, acceleration is directed tangentially to the circle, radially outward, radially inward. 0. Correct option C, radially inward. Next MCQs. In nuclear reactor, the modulator is used. Increase neutron speed, slow down fast neutron, absorb neutrons, control fission rate. Correct option B, slow down fast neutron.